Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a picture watermark to a document in MS Word. So guys, as we can see, we have some text watermark. If you want to add picture, so click on this design tab, then click on this drop down underneath watermark. In here click on custom watermark. Now select picture watermark. Select your picture. Now select from your PC. Select your picture. Then click on insert. Click on apply. Then close it. So as we can see, this picture is applied as watermark. If you want to change picture, so again click here, custom watermark, select your picture and click on insert. If you want to add your picture as full page, so custom watermark and scale, so select 100%. And if you want to show clear picture, so uncheck this wash out, then apply, then close it. So now you will see full picture, but it's not looking cool, so you need to check this wash out, then apply. Now your picture is as water mark in your document. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.